I don't want to get up. It's time. The alarm rang. I don't want to. I don't want to get up. I have to get up extra early because I have a practice client this morning because I am in a course online to be a life coach. Yes, a life coach. And I have to get up, and then we have to go to the hospital again. This is the 4th day in a row for chemo treatments. And I have to get up early so I can go over the practice client's notes. I should exercise and get ready. All right, let's do this, everybody. I did put it on snooze again, so I think I'll wait. Oh, boy. The snooze button went off. That means I have 45 minutes to do everything and be at my desk with the FaceTime on, ready to life coach. Let's do it. It's one of those mornings that you just don't. Your body is tired. You don't want to go outside. Good morning, Mister. Hello. Good morning. Oh, you're a good boy. All right, let's do it. Make the bed, Lisa. First step in getting the day to be a successful one. Now, we must pray and give God our first fruits. Don't mind the balloons. I just can't bear to get rid of them. They were for my birthday from Rachel, my daughter. You joining me in prayer too, Mr. Kitty? Are you? God does say, let everything pray. I love you. I'm asking God to take any anxieties and worries for me and my children. And I always pray for those that pray for us and the concerns and their loved ones and all the souls in purgatory. So my husband, my father, my father-in-law, my grandparents, all the generations before us, and just everyone in purgatory, because you got to pray for the people that have passed away, because we cannot assume where they are. So in case they are in need of prayer still to get to heaven, this is the Catholic way, we pray for them. We must never forget them. And I always pray for my children's salvation, education, and vocation, and health. Yes, I do. Right, Mister? Look at him, look at him, look at him. Oh, that's a big boy. Okay. He probably wants to eat. I love you, God. I give you this day for my children and me. Just take it and do your will and help us to accept your will, Lord, on this day. Let your purpose be done in our lives. We love you, Lord. And only let your will happen and help us to accept it. We love you, Lord. Yes. Oh my goodness. This is what I turn around and see. What you doing, Mister? You look funny. You're funny. Yes, you are. You're funny, Mister. You're funny. Oh, you're so tired. You're so tired. Okay. What do we do next? Oh my goodness. Let me get dressed. I'm going to wear this skirt today. It's one of my favorites. It's a little wrinkly right now, but I love it. I love skirts that go down and they feel really soft. Haven't worn it in a long time. I gotta spray it though. That's how I get rid of the wrinkles. I spray it with a bottle of water. That's what Mr. Fry, I taught him how to do that. And every night before work, all I'd hear is him spraying and then shaking it. You shake it and shake it. But since I already have it on, I'm just gonna spray it. So, I'll show you me in the mirror. Hello. It's easier because my arm, I can't get the camera. Anyway, so this is my fit for today. It's very soft and comforting. Yes, I got a belly. I am still waiting for it to go away. Yep. And now my face. makeup time. And Mr. Kitty is guiding me. He watched me make the bed. And now we're going to do the face. All right, and the hair. The hay, I mean the hay. Why didn't you guys tell me that I had black makeup everywhere? I can't trust you. Okay, all done. And I have my two pillars, my two beauty queens here. But nobody wants to be a movie star these days. All right, laundry time. Miss Des is still following and helping me. We gotta wash sheets. You wanna go downstairs? Let's go do laundry. Good boy. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph protect you. She's going to work. I said, may Jesus, Mary, and Joseph protect her. She's going to work. And this is how the mister helps me. You still, hey, mister, you helping? Yes, you are. Okay, there's my $1 soap. Yep, I get to make 13 gallons, which I line up over here. And we see we have a few more left. Yep, and we already used that. This is all for a whole year for $1. All right, mister, let's go up the stairs. Thanks for helping, mister. Coffee time.
Oh, mister, you're so silly.
This chick makes the best avocado toast.
No, guacamole.
Oh, guacamole. But you are going to put that on toast. Or actually a bagel today, right? Mm-hmm. And the mist is eaten too. Everybody's all set. Right, honey?
Can you grab me the tomato?
All right, so bring in the coffee to the desk. I'm fully dressed. Oh, I didn't spray my skirt. And... okay. There we go, getting ready. Oh my gosh, I only have a few minutes. 8 o'clock it starts. All right, so I got my skirt. I got my bottle of plain water. Now, normally you would do this if, see the lines? If you had this off, you would spray it and then shake it out. But I don't feel like doing that. So we're gonna let nature take its course. Good morning, Mr. Fry. Good morning, Daddy. Mr. Kitty, are you gonna look out the window? Okay. Give my little, see, it doesn't have the same sound unless I'm actually holding it. Here, hold on a second. All right. Oh, I love that extra ping. My daughter got me that. And I love it. Okay. Be serious, Lisa. Oh, no wonder why I can't see. So I'm reviewing what I need to do today for session 3. Okay. Well, hello, Mister, way up there. What you doing? He loves going through the basket I have up there with some stuff I have in there. Mister, what you doing? Don't make a mess. Look at that breakfast, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa, it's got an egg and a bagel and guacamole. You go, girl. Oh, he likes it too. You see what Mama made, Mr. Kitty? Mama made breakfast.
He's like, now where's mine?
Oh, he already ate. I want to read to you before I go into a session out of this book. It's called Jesus Calling. And today is, as you get out of bed in the morning, be aware of my presence with you. You may not be thinking clearly yet, but I am. Your early morning thoughts tend to be anxious ones until you get connected with me. Invite me into your thoughts by whispering my name. Suddenly, your day brightens and feels more user-friendly. You cannot dread a day that is vibrant with my presence. You gain confidence through knowing that I am with you, that you face nothing alone. Anxiety stems from asking the wrong question. If such and such happens, can I handle it? The true question is not whether you can cope with whatever happens, but whether you and I together can handle anything that occurs. It is this you and I together factor that gives you confidence to face the day cheerfully. Psalms 5, Psalms 63, and Philippians 4. Mister, you are beautiful. Look at you. You sit next to Nana. Are you my sidekick? Are you my sidekick with the practice clients, Mr. Kitty? Because you know how to life coach, huh? You're beautiful. Yes, you are. But you know something? My practice client is not answering. Oh boy, what do we do now, Mister? We're ready to roll. We're all dressed, got our shoes on, right? We ate breakfast. Well, you did. And, you know, no one's here with us, Mister. But you were faithful in being here anyway. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. Look at you chilling out. Are you chilling, Mister? All right, I'm taking Mister outside. Come on. Because I'm going to be away at the hospital, so he needs to get his sunshine. And he needs to go see the birds. The birds and the squirrels. And he needs to feel the sunshine and feel good about spending the rest of the day inside the house, sleeping and waiting for us. So I don't think that's right. So he looks bored in the house, so we're going to get him outside. You like it, Mister? Yeah, you deserve to have other stimulation besides walking from room to room. Right, Mister? Oh, you're so good. Hi, honey bunny. This is Mr. Kitty, and I'm Miss Fry. Okay, you are welcome to my yard. I got Mr. Kitty on a leash, so you don't have to be scared, okay? Because he doesn't know any better, and it's just it's his instinct to, you know, to chase. So I got him on a leash. See, there he is. He's looking. Feel free to eat anything on the property. And have a beautiful day. May St. Francis protect you, sweetheart. On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again and again and again.
Hey guys, it's us. We're back again. We're getting chemo for the 4th time. Literally help me.
Not the 4th time in her life, let me tell you something.
Send help. And like the video.
Are we there yet?
Loop-de-loop.
Here we go, loop-de-lie. Here we go, loop-de-loop. No, it's Thursday night. Not yet. La 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 la. Okay. Oh, here we go again. Oh, let's go. Come on. All right. Let's sing again. Here we go, loop-de-loo. Your turn. Come on. Don't be a funny dud. Come on.
Show us what I'm doing on.
I want to have fun. What happened? You just fizzled out. Oh, look at the number, guys. It's almost, I don't want to say it. I don't like what she's doing. She's being mean. She's being mean. She's trying to go on the elevators without me. And I have to run and catch them while she's trying to get the thing to close. Here we go, loop-de-loo. Oh boy. Perfect.
Are you?
Gonna.
I want a different one. Girl, you might get there first.
What is the point of this? It's giving me anxiety. I don't like it. Here we go, loop-de-loo. Wow, we haven't been here in a long time. Here we go, loop-de-loo. It's pretty, right? Let's go see the fishy, my fish friend. Hello, it is. Very nice. Oh, look who it is. Look who it is. Hi, honey. Hello. Hey, how are you? Good, what's happening? Yeah. Hello. Where'd he go? What's he doing? Why isn't he coming over? Hey. Hello. They're making fun of me. Yeah, I love you. Yes, I do. See how he stays? See how he stays? It's so cute. This is my favorite room. Here we go, skis. And it's only 1:30. Woohoo! I want to show you guys. Look at this person. They put a bicycle in the front of their truck. Like, who does that? Honest to goodness, Mister. You and Mr. Bun are just gorgeous. You like it up there, honey? You like laying up there? I think you did it the other night because I found my little Christmas lights on the ground. That tells me that you went up there the other day. You like it up there, don't you? Oh, Mister, you need a little pillow. You need a pillow. I can tell you want to lay down. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. I love you. And I love the bunnies, too. Oh, my goodness. Look at this baby. Look at him. It's just too much. I can't deal with it, Mr. Kitty. I can't. Just look. Look at you. Oh, I like your shadow. You have a nice shadow, mister. Oh, I love your shadow, Mr. Kitty. I love your shadow. Hey, mister. Oh, you're so cute. Look at the shadows. Oh my goodness. Too much for me to handle.